Welcome to the Daily Fabric Fondle here at Cottonweeds Quilt Shop. Today we will be unboxing something that just came in from UPS. Let me out. Okay, let's let these bolts of fabric out. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look how cute. Cute collection of sea life. Let's take them out and take a better look at them. Here's the first print. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, we've got penguins and dolphins and whales. Let's see what we have next. Look at how adorable. Sea turtles to swim with his friends. Let's see what else is in the box. Next we have a colorful collection of fish, including starfish. How cute do these prints go together? Fish. The sea turtles. And the other sea creatures. Lovely collection from Clothworks. Bubbles. Lovely blender type fabric to go with the other three prints. Let's touch. Oh, nice. It has a very nice hand. Clothworks fabric is what this is. The line is called Oceans Away. Available now at cottonweeds.com. You can go to our online shopping link, which is at the top of the page. Oh, the feel to this is really nice. Really nice. Now, what would I do with this collection? I would probably make a lovely baby quilt out of this. And I would use the Just Can't Cut It pattern. Just Can't Cut It. This showcases a bigger print in these squares, which would be lovely with the sea life. That could be your main print. And then it uses 5 others. So we've got 3 right here. The turtles, the fish, and the bubbles. Just add a couple blenders and you'd have yourself a really cute baby quilt. Or a toddler quilt. Thanks for joining us on Cottonweeds, the Daily Fabric Fondle. We will see you again. Happy sewing!